Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question, last person to fit in the bus. So we have a table named Q. This table has information about all people waiting for bus. Like it has columns like person ID, person name, wait and turn. It tells us for every person what is the person ID, is his or her name, what is his or her wait, and what is its turn. Here, if turn equal to 1, that means the person will board the bus first, and if turn equal to n, that denotes he is or she is the last person to board since there are total n person. Now there is a catch, like bus has a weight limit of 1000 kilograms, so there may be some people who cannot board the bus. We have to find the name of the last person who can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit, and it is given that only one person can board the bus at any given turn. Like we'll see example to understand it in a better way. So this is queue table. Here we have person ID, person name, weight, and turn column. And in the output, we want the name of the last person who can like go board the bus and still the limit of 1000 kilograms is not exceeded. So first Alice will board the bus and total weight of the bus till now is 250. Then Alex will board the bus and total weight till now has become 600. After that John Cena will board the bus. Now total weight has become 1000. So which is the max limit of 1000, which is crossing max weight limit of 1000 kilograms. So now no more person can board the bus, so we have to return John Cena as our answer. So like now we'll see the approach. So the approach is pretty simple. First we'll like sort these rows based on turn column, because person will board the bus based on their turn number. First turn person will board, then second, then third, and so on. So we'll first sort based on the turn. Now we'll add one more column which will tell the total weight till now in the bus of the person who has boarded. Like if for the row for 10, it will be his weight only. For second row, for turn 2 row, it will be his weight plus previous turns weight, and for 3 it will be his second plus first. Like this it will be cumulative weight. So we have added a new column, total weight or cumulative weight. Now we can simply filter the rows based on the condition that cumulative weight should be less than equal to 1000. Now we have only the data of all the persons who has boarded the bus. So last entry will tell us the name of the person who boarded last. To get that last entry, we can simply do order by this cumulative weight or total weight in descending order and then limit 1. We can like we certainly know that total weight column will always be in increasing order. That's why we'll do order by descending order and then limit 1. Then we'll get the last person's name. Like we'll see the actual query to understand it in a better way. So we are using here window function to find that total weight or cumulative weight. So first we are simply doing order by turn, then we are calculating the cumulative weight and renaming that column as total weight. Then we are selecting all the columns like person ID, person name, weight, turn plus this column from queue and storing it in a temporary table T1. After that, we are filtering the data or rows based on the condition that total weight should be less than equal to 1000. Now, till this time in the table, we have the data of all persons who have boarded the bus. We want last row data. So, we have simply done order by total weight in descending order, then limit 1. In this way, we'll get the last person who boarded the bus data, and then we have selected only his name because in the output we only want the person name.